I'm for African unity, and I'll never turn my back against African unity. I stand for African unity, wire, but not in the expense of our children, not in the expense of abantwana bethu abaselokishini. I walked into one of the Somalian shops today, and this is what I found. Somalians, what is this? The next thing in Izoti, Operation Dudula Iyansukela. What is this? You wanna unalive abantwana base South Africa? And yes, I'm a Somalians, 100% but wrong. But nati South Africans, we should be accountable, because asikaze sithole isitolo sama-Somalian esehlathini. Who is leasing our properties to ama-Somalians? Are you vetting labantu lab? Do you check ukuthi do they follow all South African protocols? Are they doing pest control eitolo? Do they have company registrations and all that? So it goes two ways, Bafethu. Ama-Somalians, they must watch themselves. This is really unacceptable. The next thing is ushona umntana elokishini, and then kuzothiwa nabo abantu aba-renti iy'tolo zabo or ama-properties to Somalians, nabo they must watch themselves. This is really unacceptable. Yabo lento le khona into wrong la. Nama-inspector nawo kumele avakashe la. Angiyiboni kahle lento le. So yes, African unity, but to a certain extent, Bafethu. I walked into one of the Somalian shops today, and this is what I found. Somalians, what?
Do you guys remember when Amaspaza shops and Amatak shops were run by local South Africans? We never had such problems. Kwafika lama Somalieni, babulala Amatak shops wasekasi, babulala ama-business wasekasi wonke Amaspaza shops and Amatak shops. In fact, thina ama-South Africans sabulala Amatak shops wama-South Africans. And labantu laba wazi ukuthi bazenzela yonke into. Bazenzela icoke, bazenzela impuphu, bazenzela ini, badayisa inyama ebolile. Ukubonisa ukuthi labantu bazizonda kangakanani. Badayisa ukudla, but ababona abakupheki lokudla lokho bathenga kubo Shoprite, but bona badayisela thina. In one of the videos bathole this Somalian ufake ipipe lamanzi from a toilet elebush, wakhipha ipipe ngaphambili udayisela abantu lamanzi lawo ama-South Africans. But ke yithi vele labantu barentiswa yithi esithenga kubo. Guys, ama-tuck shops asaphethwe omama bethu, obhuti bethu, obaba bethu akukaze ngoba ne-food poisoning, akunamntana okawashona. But ke ilima yithi. Yabona guys, umuntu osavotela i-ANC, it's either uyabenefita from yona noma uyisilima. Silima nje stupid isilima. Alikho foreigner ella to build. Labantu bazela bazomosha kuphela, bayamosha. But ke mongabheka lama drug bust week after week kutholakala ama-Nigerians. Mongabheka ama-murder week after week ama-Zimbabweans. Mongabheka ayikho into enhle abasenzela yona. Guys, ama-foreigners ayikho into enhle abasenzela yona. And I don't blame them kakhulu. I-party esiphethe amasimba. Yabona guys, i-country to see emotionally nathi. Yes, the party esiphethe government wamasimba vele siyamazi. But nathi partly si emotional. Omama bethu had ama-tuck shops. Mama bethu, but thina besishiya bona siyothengela the very same Somalians and Pakistans. Kuyimanje mangavula ishop ekasi, ama-Pakistan they come to you bazokulwisa. But bheka, bazenzela icoke, bazenzela ifanta, bazenzela yonke into, ayikho into abangayifoji, bafoja yonke into bese badayisela thina. Next thing niyamangala siphathwe ama-cans, abantwana bayagula food poisoning ingoba thina sithenga kubo. Guys, ayikho ishop yekula engizothenga kuyo mina, ngiwafuni ngepassion. Angibafuni ngepassion, but ke sizothini bavumelwa yithi barentiswa yini ne-government yethu iyabavumela. Guys, ANC emotionally country. I can't wait for ilanga i-ANC ezophuma i-country ethi ibuye kithi ezandleni ngoba ngempela i-ANC ayisithandi. Bona bahlezi le phezulu baphila kamnandi ezindlini zamahala, banama-security, bahamba ngemoto zamahala, ukudla kwamahala, yonke into yamahala. But bona thina laphansi kusafara thina. Bavula ama-border gate, abantu bayazenzela. Kuyimanje i-border gate i-SANDF iyasokola. Badeporta umuntu today kusasa, the very same person uyajumpa futhi. Siyi-borderless country. Mina I will never be for Africa, guys. Singakalungi thina. I-unemployment yethu how many percent? Then ugovernment unikeza ama-foreigners ama-work visas. Singanamsebenzi thina. Guys, mina sorry. You might call me xenophobic or what, but ANC ngizonda ngepassion. ngizonda ngepassion and mawuthi uyabheka alikho iforeigner elize la ukuzobuilda ama-Nigerian asilethela ama-drugs, ama-Pakistan afoja ukudla, abanamaphepha, abalandela umthetho. Ama-immigration law wethu guys akhona, they are there, but when are we gonna implement them? Kuyimanje iy'kole zivuliwe ngizwe bathi angazi plus 11,000 of abantwana abanama-placement ey'kolweni. Ema-primary school abanama-placement, but abantwana bama-friend bagcwele iy'kole. Guys, fuck ANC, man.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangu abhudu ukhuluma indzaba yokuthi kungani amaPakistan asithengisele idodi ama-cold drink, lama-cold drink kanjani nje makanje la ingigqwele kakhulu engayigqwalanga. Lokukholela kokuthi bayatendela amaPakistan obani boqhamuka ma-cold drink njengoba sikile vele sabona batendela also. Uyasho nje ukuthi iyabhetha le nto lena abantu osigulisa. Why are they doing this? Into lengiqaka ukuthi dobhuti lobe kahlezi a-protect ama-foreigners lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. Namhla nguye lesekavuma ukuthi Operation Dudula right, and he was always against the Operation Dudula. Operation Dudula izonda abantu bokuqhamuka xenophobic nani. Guys, we are not being xenophobic, but this is nonsense. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.